What's up guys? Chase here with the Fishing Fools Adventure Channel. So we're out here right now just leaving the Walmart. We just got some baits, some weights, some hooks, some different things. And we're headed back to the muddy river. We're gonna try it again. This time I'm gonna use a lot more cut bait. I'm hoping to see some bigger blue cats this time. We caught like a 12 pounder, but I didn't really see any like the size I was looking for. So we're gonna go back out there. We're gonna give it a try with cut bait, and we're gonna still try out the live bait. All right, guys. Guys, I just caught the biggest green sunfish I have ever seen in my life. It almost looks like a freaking bass. What the heck is this thing, dude? It's literally a green sunfish bluegill hybrid. Dude, I'm not fucking out. I cannot believe this fish, guys. It is huge. It's huge. Guys, this is a PB. This is a good one. This is a freaking pound or more. I've got my scale, guys. I actually have my scale. We're about to check it out. Something swimming off with it. Where is it? I don't feel him on there. There's nothing on there. There's nothing on there. There's something taking it, but I guess. No, go on. Well, that's all we've gotten so far, besides that bluegill. He ate a worm. These things eat anything, don't they? What he got to us?
Nice one.
Yeah, guys, that's about a 5-6 pound channel cat. Awesome. Let me take this your little poncho thingy off. It's cold out here, guys, a little bit. Well, that turned the night around some. This is our first catfish since we've been out here. He is a, where's my fish grip? And the pliers, please. We got us a new pair of fish grips for my birthday. See if they work. Mr. Feisty Catfish that don't want to open his mouth. And just like that, guys, I got me about a 5-pound channel cat. I could keep him. I think I'm just going to go ahead and let him go. You see the smoke coming off of him? You might not be able to see that on film or nothing. Well, all right, we're going to have to get him back down there somehow. He's very good down there. Where's the... That's a good channel cat right there. Uh-oh. There he went. Fish number 3 of the night. Things are starting to heat up a little bit. Catfish. Oh, it let go again. What's up, guys? Chase here. So unfortunately I didn't get to finish my video from the other night. It was about 2 nights ago, and I'm just now finishing up the editing. Excuse me for not finishing, guys, but we ended up catching one more fish. I wish I could have got it on film. It was probably about an 8 or 9 pound blue cat, so it was the best fish of the night. And then I caught a few more gar. It was a really slow night basically, though. I am taking somebody for a trip. I'm actually starting to guide on some bank fishing trips, so I could possibly be filming that. We'll find out more, but stay tuned, guys, and thank you very much for watching. From Chase. Peace.